Hello everyone, my name is Zesty and welcome back to another video. Today I will be talking about the Hermes M3 keyboard by Gamdias. But before we do much, let's talk about the unboxing of the keyboard. There's a sleeve on the outside of the package that gives some information on the keyboard. This was very helpful for figuring out the fundamentals of the keyboard. Once inside the box, the keyboard was nicely tucked in a styrofoam cover, helping to protect it while being shipped. Next, we have a cap key remover for anyone who ever wants to do anything with the caps of the keyboard. And finally, there is a USB cord for the keyboard. The size of the keyboard is amazing. I set the Razer Black Widow Chroma right next to the Hermes M3. The difference was mind-blowing because most mechanical keyboards are just as tall or taller than the Black Widow Chroma. The Hermes M3 cut that size in half. This keyboard has over 16.8 million colors and customizable lighting effects. One way to change the colors on the keyboard is to use the lighting effects built into the keyboard. The other way is to download Gamdias Hera software. All you need to do is go to your web browser, type in Gamdias Lighting. Next, click on the website that says Hermes Light, then go to download at the top of the website and go left to the Hera software. After this, click the Hermes M3, then download the software. One thing I love about the keyboard is how transportable it is. It weighs around 1.2 pounds and is 354 millimeters or 34.4 centimeters long, making it able to fit in many places. This keyboard could be good for someone traveling or just looking for something small. This keyboard is anti-ghosting, which makes it so that when someone is pressing lots of keys fast, no key is left behind in the process. One last thing is that the keyboard has two legs under it to fit your comfort if you ever wanted to raise the keyboard up a bit. Now here's the sound test that most of you have been waiting for. Overall, I highly recommend this keyboard. If you're interested, the link will be down in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.